This is HTML Canvas, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and how you can build this from scratch using HTML and JavaScript. In this example, the element has an ID of canvas, which allows JavaScript to easily select and interact with it. The width and height attributes define the size of the canvas in pixels, in this case, 600 pixels wide and 400 pixels tall. On its own, the canvas doesn't display any content. It simply provides a blank space where graphics can be drawn using JavaScript. Everything you see inside a canvas, shapes, images, animations, must be created programmatically using a scripting language like JavaScript. To draw on the canvas, we first need the rendering context. In this case, we use the 2D context, which gives us access to all drawing functions. Let's start with a simple rectangle. The first two values are the X and Y position, and the next two are width and height. Now let's try to draw a circle. To draw a circle, we use the arc function. It creates a curved path, and going from 0 to 2 times pi gives us a full circle. Fill style sets the fill color of the shape. The fill function fills the inside of the current path, the circle, with the selected color. Begin path and close path functions prevent new shapes from connecting to previously drawn paths. Canvas can also render text, which is useful for UI elements or games. The fill text function draws the text Hello Canvas on the canvas at position 180, 350, where 180 is the X coordinate and 350 is the Y coordinate. First, let's put a border on the canvas for better visual reference. Define a function called animate that will run repeatedly to create animation. Start the animation by calling the animate function. Clear the entire canvas. This removes the previous frame. Set the fill color to white, then draw a rectangle that covers the entire canvas. Create a time value based on the current time. This value updates every frame and is used to animate the scene. Now let's draw a circle. Start by creating a new path. This makes sure the circle is treated as a separate shape and doesn't connect to anything we drew before. Then draw the circle at position 300, 200 with a radius of 80, set the fill color to Dodger blue, and fill it. Next, draw the wave on top. Start a new path so it doesn't connect to the previous shape. Then set the line color to tomato and the line width to 3. Now loop through every X position across the canvas. For each X value, calculate a Y position using a sine function to create a wave. The X value controls the frequency, the time value makes the wave move, and the multiplier controls the height. For the first point, move to that position. Then, for every next point, draw a line to it. This connects all the points into a smooth wave. Now stroke the path to draw the waveline. This renders the line on the canvas. Then we call the draw function again using requestAnimationFrame, which creates a smooth animation loop. This is the core of canvas animation. We clear the screen every frame, then redraw the object in a new position to create movement. So Canvas is a powerful tool for building games, animations, and interactive graphics in the browser. Once you understand these basics, you can build almost anything.